This is a format of the finished business letter. So here at the top here, if we double click here, we can see the letterhead in the header. And if we click below, then we'll see the letter that we wrote. All right. So this is what the finished letter would look like. And then the document could be printed and the person would sign right here where the cursor is, and then submit the letter to the individual or the company to which it is intended for. Not every business letter would have the reference initials because, as you said, it's not um, frequently used nowadays. However, if the we normally type our letters ourselves. So if we type the letters ourselves, we wouldn't have the reference initials. You would only use the reference initials if it will be prepared by somebody else other than the person who initiates the letter. For example, if a secretary prepared the letter. No, not every business letter would have these three items, right? So if you're not sending a copy to someone else and you don't have any enclosures or attachments, you wouldn't see these three items here listed on every business letter, okay? So this is how you would prepare a business letter. Then we have the reference initials, right? Now, the reference initials is not used so frequently again. However, maybe government agencies and maybe lawyers and those persons who would write formal documents, maybe the embassy. So the capital letters SB is the initial for the person who initiates the letter, right? The initials for the person who initiates the letter. Then it's followed by a colon and then the abbreviation of the person who typed the letter or prepared the letter, maybe a secretary, okay? So maybe the secretary's first name begins with B, their middle initial is V, and the surname could be France, for example, if the surname is France. Then we have CEC for carbon copy, meaning did you copy the letter to any other persons other than Mr. Thomas here? And did you write a blind copy and send it to somebody else who you don't want Mr. Brown to know that you had actually copied it to somebody else? Then if you're going to put any attachments or enclosures with this letter, then you would type enclosure or attachment, whichever one you choose to use depending on the document that you're attaching or enclosing, right? So this is how you would prepare a business letter.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.